know your own wicked fairy godfather?
Wicked Fairy Godfather?
That's right, my card.
Need a happy ending? Would you like to win the lotto? To change your luck or make a buck? Call
Franco di Fortunato.
Franco
Take a dive.
Just call me Frank.
Okay.
Why have you come?
To grant your heart's darkest desire, of course, that you might prevent Cindy from getting hitched with her handsome prince.
Well, you're too late, Frank. They're already married.
Oh, baby dolls, you've got it all wrong. When the chips are down and you're dealt a terrible hand, you don't just throw in the cards. No. The pot can still be yours. You've just got to learn to play dirty. When your life is going wrong, there's just one thing to do. Sing a sweet and happy song, and darlings, when you're through, don't bother with a silly spell like bibbidi-bobbidi-boo. That's for amateurs. There's more fun to be had, getting even being bad. It's never too late to turn your life around and run someone else's life into the ground. Don't you wish upon a star? 'Cause I've got a magical repertoire. There's so much devastation we'll create. As long as you believe inside your heart, it's never too late.
And why would you help me? Out of the goodness of your heart, I suppose.
No, dear Lady Tremaine, out of the wickedness of my heart, it's never too late to start a life of crime. To rewrite the past, I'll send you back in time. You'll break both Cinderella's shoes.
I'll let you see we cannot lose.
It's losers who resign themselves to fate. A winner always knows deep in her heart it's never too late. Check me out, girls. Now before I cast my spell and time is reversed, there is one condition to reveal. Should Cindy still end up with her prince, you'll all be cursed for the rest of your lives. The usual price of such a wicked deed.
Why would you want to curse us? I thought you were my fairy godfather.
Wicked fairy godfather. I'm not going to kid you. When you spin the wheel to Fortunato, you take a chance that you could lose it all. But if you win big.
Mother, there's nothing to worry about. If we destroy those glass slippers, how could we possibly fail?
It's not worth gambling our own lives.
Now, girls, your mother's right. But no risk equals no reward. Come on, boys. back, ladies. It's time to rewrite history.